You found this video through the YouTube algorithm, and chances are you've been watching a bunch of streaming videos. But I got a challenge for you. I'm gonna share with you 7 of my favorite streaming tips, and I just want you to apply one of them to your stream. Because imagine how good your stream can be if you took one thing from every video you watched. And I'll give you guys a special secret gift to everyone who watches to the end of the video. Since I know most of you guys are super lazy like myself, we'll start off with a really easy one. If we scroll down on my channel, you'll notice that we have these social links here, but I like to add a nice little color-coded emoji to signify a little bit more enhanced of what they are. And if you're not using these social links right here, you're missing out because they have way more engagement than anything in the panels. So if you want to edit these, all you got to do is scroll up, click on your name. It'll bring you to your channel, and then you're going to hit About. And then right above my webcam, there's a little Edit, About, and Link. So click that. And it'll bring you to your creator dashboard under the settings tab, under the channel. And then from here, you're going to scroll down and you're going to add all of your links here. And I like to add little emojis as well. And if you're on Windows, all you got to do is click anywhere that has text, hold the Windows key and hit the little greater than symbol, and then you have your little emoji keyboard. Not sure if you can do it on Mac. If you can, post it in the comments down below for all my Mac users. Number 2 is honestly one of my favorites because it helps with viewer retention while you're streaming. And what it is a simple BRB video that I made, and I plugged it into my streaming software. So anytime that I have to get up to go and use the bathroom, all I have to do is unhide my BRB video. So I'm gonna unhide it and let's watch it. So Cody went to pee or something. He's off the screen. Where'd he go? I'm here to distract you. Everybody has questions. Number 1, is Cody still wearing the Halloween pajama pants that he bought in the women's section at Walmart? Yes, right here. I'm wearing them right now. Number 2, how do I sign up for Prime? Prime is awesome. Exclamation point Prime in the chat. You got your movies. You got your 2-day shipping. You guys get the point. But basically, I will play that anytime I have to get up and go to the bathroom or leave the screen for whatever, because we all know as a streamer, as soon as you get off camera, your viewers are like, oh, where'd they go? I'm gonna go watch someone else, because everyone has TikTok brain rot brain of a goldfish now. So this is a great way to stimulate them while you're gone. And all you gotta do is just make a simple video. You can edit it in whatever software you want. And then when you have your video, you can just go into the sources, hit the plus button, hit add new media source, hit OK, and then you'll find your video file here. You can choose to loop it if you want. Otherwise, what happens if you don't loop it, it will show nothing when playback ends, so it'll just go back to your screen. So you can make it as long or as short as you want. But since I have it set up like this, what will happen is if I hit OK, I'll play the video, and if I'm, going to the bathroom and it's taking a little longer, if you know what I mean, then it will just go back to my empty chair. And so it's become a meme where if there's an empty chair, they just say, oh my God, it's chair. And chat seems to get a real kick out of it. So we even have our own chair emote in the chat too. But you can feel free to get creative with it. Number 3 are donation incentives like Bean Boozled. As you can see here, I got a bunch of canisters and whatnot. But I swear to God that these things are going to put my kids through college. I have made so much revenue just off of doing donation incentives with Bean Boozled, because you can set donation incentives on your stream like every 100 bits, every 500 bits, you do a Bean Boozled. And the cool part is that some of them are good, some of them are bad. So if they donate and you get a good one, chances are they're going to double down and donate again because they want to see your reaction when you have a bad one. And it's really simple to actually display them. You can have text over your screen in Streamlabs or OBS using a little text source, or you can add it as a panel here. And right now I also have like jump scares associated with my bit alert. So really you're getting a 2 for 1. So you can actually double down like that as well, but just feel free to get creative with it. Number 4 is having a curved webcam shape. As you can see here right now in the video I'm recording, it's got nice little curved edges, even got a little shadow behind it. And if you look at my actual stream, let me grab a video, you can see here that it's actually like a long rectangular one, because what I like about this is that I kind of want to mix just chatting and gameplay at the same time. And I feel like when you have a tiny little webcam like I'm using for this video, it doesn't really get the point across. So I wanted to emulate the just chatting vibe with gameplay by having a nice larger, long, rectangular, curved webcam. So you can also do that. That's going to require a little bit longer of an explanation. So I have a video already covering that in the top right corner that you can watch after this video. But I really like having the large webcam with the gameplay because it really emulates that just chatting vibe and makes it a lot more personal. Tip number 5 is simplify your profile to get them to do what you want them to do. So for example, if we scroll down here, I don't have a ton of stuff, but the stuff that I do have here is very specific. The first thing I want them to notice are my donation alerts. So if they want to donate, these are the incentives. I also have my setup here, which are affiliate links. So if they click something and they buy it, then I'll get a little bit of rake back. And then I have my streamer starter pack, which they can easily plug and play into their streams to make it look super professional in a matter of minutes. Then I also got my blurps notes, and I got my stream schedule countdown. So there's not a lot of stuff on here, but all of the stuff that I want them to do is here. But what happens if you clutter your profile? So let's take example over here. So here we'll scroll down and we'll take a look. Look at how much stuff there is here. Like there's just way too much stuff. You can't really focus on anything because I get really overwhelmed. I scroll down, I see all this text, I see all these different things going on. So I don't feel like I'm about to take any action. And it's proven that when people feel overwhelmed, they're less likely to take any action versus one action. So if we just scroll down here and let's say that we only had a couple panels with a couple of different actions, it'd be a lot more likely to get your chatters to do what you want them to do. Because right now, this is just overwhelming with the amount of text and information that I don't really want to take any action. So make sure to simplify your profiles. Otherwise, you're going to freak your viewers out. Don't do that. Less is more. You got to follow the KISS method. K-I-S-S, obviously. It stands for keep it simple, stupid. And it applies to way more aspects than just your dating life. At least I've been told. Tip number 6 is make sure you have a nice channel trailer that is very punchy. I'm going to show you mine. It appears right here at the top of your Twitch feed. So basically, this is the first thing that your viewers are going to see. I'm going to play it for you guys so you guys can see what mine looks like. I'm going to play it.
Chat, where do you want to go? Let's go on the roller coaster and then we'll go on the bumper cars. 10 tokens? What a ripoff, dude. Everybody got their seatbelts on. Everybody strapped in nice and tight. Hands up, quick, hands up.
So as you can see there, that's a short snippet, but as you can see, it's like right in your face. It's very punchy. It's very attention getting. So what you want to do is basically edit some of your stream clips and whatnot to make it more punchy. So that way they can get an idea of what to expect from your streams without these like monotone channel trailers, because no one's going to really want to watch a channel trailer if it sounds like this. But if you make it more high energy and more punchy and attention getting, they're way more likely to check you out and actually continue to look at your profile, which leads into our previous tips of making it simplified, making them, you know, have the social links and all that good stuff. So if you want to edit your channel trailer, all you got to do is click the edit channel trailer here, or you can go to the top right corner and then hit, I think, video producer, and then go to settings, and then go to channel, and then go to featured content here, and you'll be able to create a channel trailer right here to show to your audiences on your channel, which then will appear to your viewers whenever they go to your Twitch channel. So it's a really nice tip to get people's attention right away. Which leads me to tip number 7, which is actually broken up into 2 parts. And so the first part is the special gift that I mentioned to you guys at the very beginning. I'm going to give you guys my streamer's cheat sheet for free, which will basically tell you everything that you need to do before your streams to set yourself up for success. So what you should do with your technicals, your content prep, your personal prep, your pre-stream testing, all this stuff is right here in this cheat sheet for you guys for free. So I'll leave that linked in the description down below. And the second half is that I've basically been creating daily streaming tip compilations through YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikToks. So you can feel free to follow those social medias, whichever one you use the most, because we all know we're going to be brain rotting on those social platforms anyways. So you might as well get some streaming tips thrown into your brain rot while you're watching thirst traps or cat videos, because that way you can improve your stream passively, because you're going to be brain rotting anyways, let's be honest. So you guys can follow the YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikToks. It's at Cpaws Music on all of them, so you can feel free to use your favorite platform. And watch this video to the side of me if you really want to take your stream to the next level. My name's Cody, and I will see you in the next one.